Before going into the verbs that end with IEREN, let's see an exception first. Okay, so I already told you for participles Y, you have to write like the GE first and then the verb stem and then T, right? But here there's a small exception. Some verbs that end with T, when you remove that EN, cannot be replaced by only T, because if you replace it, it will give a different sound. So now let's take an example verb, which is antworten. So what is the meaning of antworten? It is to answer. Okay, so if you remove this en, then the verb stem will be antwort, which already ends with t. So if you are going to add another t, then it is not going to be pronounced properly, right? But if you are going to add another e before the t, then it will be complete. See, ge antwortet. So how the pronunciation will be? Ge antwortet. That sounds complete, right? So to answer is the infinitive form, and here in participles Y it is answered. So what is antworten? Antworten is to answer, and for participles Y it is ge antwortet. And let's see another example for this exception. See, arbeiten. What is the meaning of arbeiten? Arbeiten is to work. So what is the verb stem here? Again, it ends with t, arbeit. So you can't add another t simply. So you have to use a e before, which gets completed like ge arbeitet, which is worked. So what is the infinitive form? To work, and here in the participles Y it is worked. So this is how you have to handle this exceptional case. And now let's see the verbs that end with IEREN.